Where's the head? I can't. Oh, found it.
I hope they make it safe. I hope they make it there. So hard to keep faith this high in the air.
Hey, I know I look like a squid, but I was challenged by Erika to be a creature from Harry Potter, and I chose a Dementor. Yep, it's a garbage bag, and yeah, it's epic, even though it's a garbage bag. I look super lame right now. That's alright. So, this week's theme is your favorite movie scene week. Yeah. Alright, so the movie I chose was How to Train Your Dragon. That's an amazing movie. And I'm doing a scene where Hiccup and Toothless first take off. And this is going to be my Toothless outfit as well, because I don't own much black. So yeah, kill 2 stones with 1 bird. No, oh. Kill 2 stones with 1 bird. How can you kill a stone? 2. Oh. Alright, Toothless. This is our moment. Let's do it, buddy. Ready on the count of 3. 1, 2, whoa! Oh no! Watch out for that rock! Phew! That was a close one. Good job, buddy. So that was entertaining, I hope. Alright, so today is Super Mega Foxy Awesome Hot because I had I lifeguard today, and I lifeguard with my good friends at the pool. Jesse every time I lifeguard. So that was cool. Challenge time! Alright, so today, whoever I roll this week, you must do the hoedown throwdown from Hannah Montana. The whole thing. So boom boom clap, boom boom dee clap clap your way there. Alrighty? So let's roll. Roll, 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 roll. 1. That means Robin. Alright, so that pretty much wraps up Sunday. I'm gonna throw this piece of crap out. Yup. And Robin, I will see you tomorrow with your hoedown throwdown moves. And I hope you guys have an awesome week. Alright? Bye.